What's up everyone, this is your Pritesh here and welcome to my YouTube channel Bifurcate Pritesh Vlog. And today we are going to Kuske Waterfall and let's see how it goes.
You came with a warning, I should have seen it.
So we have left from Margaon and we are going by Kunkolim where we'll be picking up one of our friends and then we'll be going ahead. Bye!
What goes up, comes back down. What goes out, comes around. You're so dumb or reckless. You already reckless. What goes up, comes.
And here comes our fruit salad. Welcome to the team.
Camera
where Kuske Waterfall was closed and we're trying to find a waterfall nearby. So as I told you before, now we have reached Barmanbudo Waterfall near Kuske Waterfall. So this is Barmanbudo Waterfall.
What goes up, comes back down. What goes out, comes around. What goes up, comes back down. And your day will come around. Goes out, comes around. You're so dumb and reckless. You already reckless. What goes up, comes back down. And your day will come around. I don't wanna fix this. You already reckless. But
everywhere. So these are the bottles which we found. These are the bottles which we found over here in the waterfall. And even in the water, there were a lot of glasses of water. Okay, I like the pure water. I'm requesting all of y'all to take whatever y'all take to the waterfall, bring to waterfall, and take it with you. Barmanbudo Waterfall to which dam is this? Sapolim Dam. From Barmanbudo to Sapolim Dam we are here right now. Now see the view.